This morning is my nephew's birthday party, Sarah's cousin. So we're going to head out and go over there. It's going to be really interesting because their party starts at 9 in the morning, which I think will be really good for the young kids because that means they don't have to skip a nap, and it'll be nobody will be cranky. So I think it'll be a really good idea to have it at 9 o'clock. And also, at the church that they're having the party at, they're having a carnival outside. So we're going to go to the carnival and let Sarah play around there. And so we're just going to, right now, we're getting ready. And we're going to head out and go to the party. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eli. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa. Get close. Oh, no, no. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, blow.
Alright.
Good.
Yay!
Alright, this is your cake.
Gotta wait. Let's see if Sarah can Well, you know you got this all over the place. I don't think they have eye circles. You want to eat your cake? Happy
Aww.
Alright, now.
Giving G.
Alright, let's get some cheesecake.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Eli, do you want to open up presents?
Ooh, you got a bunch of presents.
Yeah.
Open up mine first.
Okay.
This is from me and Sarah and Jeremy. It's a walking pet.
Hey.
Push the button.
Alright. Uh-oh.
I think you like it more, don't you, Easton? Where did we get that? Walmart.
Whoa, that's from me.
Loves his puppy dog.
Alright, Easton. This one Nana brought you. Alright, Eli.
You got another
Sorry,
present?
it should have been
Who
last.
is that?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Thanks.
That is a big book.
Oh, that's a lot.
Stickers.
Mommy will help you get started with this.
You know it. Drew, it is blazing hot.
I turned it down.
Really?
All right. Oh, don't hit me so hard. Yeah.
Sarah, come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Hey, boy.
Now jump, 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 jump. Whoa.
Can you jump?
I gotta stand up.
Oh, there's a little one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's crying. Woo! Uh-oh. It's okay. Come Yay! See your necklace. Ooh, pretty necklace.
Yeah.
Oh, they got.
We are headed home from Eli's birthday party. We had a fun time. Sarah's never done like a carnival thing, but she did really good and she really enjoyed it. But she's really tired now and not a happy camper. So we're gonna go home and put her down for a nap. We are here at Lowe's looking at appliances. Our dishwasher is about to die. So we're getting a new dishwasher and we already picked it out. And look at this. It's $3,000, but look, it has a Keurig built into the refrigerator. And demo. But I think that's pretty cool. Have your coffee ready made from your refrigerator. Well, we just ordered our dishwasher, so now we gotta go pick it up at the front. We brought our new dishwasher with us. We didn't pay for the installation fee. Jeremy thought, you know, it's only 3 connections. All we have to do is just hook the 3 connections and put it in. So hopefully he's right, and hopefully he can get it done today. This is where it's going to go. I put paper towels in the water connections and the drain and everything because I didn't want it to keep leaking on the floor. So we do need to use the new hose. Oh.
Yeah, it hooks to that, the one that's on here.
Oh, okay.
So we gotta unhook this one. We need
Well, we took a break from installing the dishwasher because we had to go get a part that didn't come with it. And that's a whole other issue we'll talk about later after we install it. And so we got something to eat and we spent a little time with Sarah. She was really needing some attention. She was not being happy that we were working on the dishwasher. So we spent a little time with her and put her to bed. And now that she's in bed, we're going to focus on putting the dishwasher in.
Now we can focus.
Yeah, and now we can focus because she was screaming and crying, and whenever she screams and cries, I go brain dead. I can't do anything. I can't think. I can't function or have any intelligent thought. So anyway, we're going to get it done now. Hopefully we will get it done before we have to go to bed.
Yes.
So we finally did it. We finished installing our brand new dishwasher. If you guys don't do home appliance installing them, or if you're not used to any kind of like handiwork like that in any way like that, go ahead, spend your $100 installing it. It'll save you a lot of headache. But we installed ours. It was very frustrating. There was a part that was needed for this for installing this dishwasher, and that was incredibly frustrating. And we didn't know that until we read the instructions. It would be nice if the stores or Whirlpool put that in their description before you buy it, because we could have saved ourselves a lot of time, a lot of arguing, a lot of frustration and worry about the part. So it would have been nice if it came with it. And it was a super small part. It was like this. And it came from the, it was a connector valve to the water feed, to feed water in. It was just a little elbow. You screwed it on to the dishwasher, and then and it was a little elbow so that the pipe wouldn't be bent. And that's understandable, but it should have come with it. It was only $3, and we spent over $300 for this. It should have come with it, honestly. Come on, Whirlpool. You need to be nicer to your customers and just put that in there. Big thumbs down in that area. But I do like it. It's really quiet, way quieter than our old one. And it cleans. I love I'll open it up for you guys. I love the space. It's really good. I could put tall glasses on the top. I can even put dishes on the top if I wanted to. And I love the utensil tray. It is really big, and it has a spray on the bottom, and it has a spray here at the top one to clean really good the top dishes. And it doesn't exactly fit the cutout of our board, our cabinet, but neither did the old one, so that's not Whirlpool's fault. I just really want Whirlpool to notice, if there's a part needed, and if it's on the list of needed, then put it in there. It was only $3. Come on, and we had to go drive and go get it and come back. It was unnecessary, I think, as a paying customer to Whirlpool. You guys need to really fix that and put the parts needed in there. So we finally finished. I'm extremely happy that now we have a dishwasher that cleans dishes well and is really quiet, and I'm just so glad it's over. So like I said before, pay the installation fee and get somebody out here to do it so you don't have to worry about doing stuff like that. But I'm going to put an end to this video, and I hope you guys had a good night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the subscribe button so you guys can know whenever I put up a new video. And please like this video. Leave a comment below if you have any problems with Whirlpool, installing a Whirlpool dishwasher. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. You can